I am so sorry it took me so long to get to your video. She wanted me to do a video showing you how to do a slip knot using one hand. Now Willow has also done a video on this, and her video is very good. She's got a lot more practice with this than I do, but I'm going to try to recreate this. She actually uses a variegated yarn, which may make it a little easier to see. What you do is you take your tail around the peg and you cross it. What she did was actually put the tail under there, and she said some people, you can either twist it like this and take your loom tool, okay, see if I did this right, and pull it through, or you can just take and pull a loop through by yourself. I'm going to show you that again. Okay, oh, no, just use one hand. Alright, so put it around the peg, the tail goes over and under the loom just to hold it in place, and then I'm going to try to do it just like this. Pinch this and just stick it through the loop and tighten that up. Now what she did was she actually, scary part guys, removed this loop, put this loop on. Okay, moment of truth. If I did this right, it should tighten up. She actually tightened both strings. Oh, I think I did it. I think I did it. I did it. Willow, you are so awesome. Thank you so much for requesting this. I learned something new. Yay! Okay, so there is your slip knot. You can make it as long or short as you need it, but there is your slip knot. That is so cool. Willow, again, thank you so much for your video request. I do apologize for it taking so long. For those of you who do want to see the original video, which was Willow's, video description below. Trying to just use one hand for everything. Video description below. There's a link to our channel, direct link to the video. Willow, any other videos, one-handed videos you would like for me to attempt, just let me know. No promises, because I'm not the most coordinated person in the world. But I have a lot of respect for what you're doing, and this is fabulous. We need more people out there doing videos for people who have limited mobility. So that's fantastic. Thank you for the request. Everybody, I hope this is helpful or beneficial in some way, shape, or form to you or to someone you know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That doesn't apply just for me. That applies for Willow as well. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so that you can receive emails when new videos are put out. But look at that, you got your slip knot, and then you can just go ahead and start your E-wrap. I know I've got the tail in that too, but I'm trying to stick to the whole one hand thing. Okay. Sorry guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and Willow, thank you.